guys. Wow. 4Stablesticks, baby. I had to remove the middle section because I didn't want to stand up and risk exposing myself. So I made it shorter so you can use it as a sitting down stick or a standing up stick, which is so versatile. It's so lightweight, and as you guys will see in the video, I got the kill shot on video. It was real steady. 95 yards in the wind. Now it's real windy, guys. Whew. All right, again, 4Stablesticks, baby. Look at that view, guys. She is down right there. So I'm walking up to the doe that I shot. I mean, I can talk better down here because it's real windy up there where I was. I was perched up on top of that rock pile right there. And I'm only about 100 yards from the ocean. It's a big drop-off cliff, but let's go get that doe. Let me flip this camera. But yeah, shot him from up there. 4Stablesticks. And there she is, guys. She piled up. I had to shoot her bedded. There was a bedded doe right here, and there was another one right here, and she was by that tree, or by that. This was her bed right here, and I shot her lying down. It's a good shot. It's a double long. I made sure I was gonna put it on that long right there. Yes, big doe, nice and healthy doe. There were other deer that was bedded here, but with all this brush I couldn't have a shot. And there was also maybe about 20 deer that was bedded down there. They all ran up that way after I shot her. I tried to get one more doe from the herd, but eventually they ran off. So that's that. I just have to settle with this girl right here. 4Stablesticks.